Hi everyone, this is Artist King back with another video. So today I am showing you a different different types of scrapers, things that I use to create scrape art. So there's a Ouija, you use that to clean your windows. The other one is like a putty knife, I think you use to scrape off paint and stuff. And then I found these and I ordered these off of Amazon. They have different patterns that you can use to create abstract art, or you can use it in your mixed media or your collage art, wherever you want to use it, it's up to you. But there's different patterns that you can use. You can also use, if you have like an old credit card or debit card, you can use that. Sometimes they sell, and I should have included that in this video, they sell like different knives. They look like knives, but they have different points that you can use to scrape. I should have included that, but I forgot that I had those. So anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate to you a little bit how to use these items and what sort of patterns and stuff you get when you use them. So as you can see, I've laid them off there. I even have some more on the left. If you look on the left side of the screen, I have a couple more. There they are. I have a couple of those that I purchased as well. I think I purchased those at Hobby Lobby, which is, I either get my art stuff at Hobby Lobby or I get them from Amazon, or sometimes I might go to the dollar store or even to like Walmart and find some interesting items that I can use. So yeah, see, that has a different pattern as well, and this one has a bigger thing, but they're all kind of similar. But you can use all of these items when you want to do a project with with scrape art. So what I'm gonna do today is demonstrate how to use these items, or not really demonstrate, but show you the patterns that you can get when you use these items. And then I'm gonna do an actual piece coming closer to the end of the video to show you how I kind of incorporate all these with, well, you'll see it. Just hold on. You can't stop watching the video. You have to stay till the end if you want to see what I did at the end. So here what I'm gonna do, I use different color paint. I just put them in so you can see what is done, what I'm doing actually. So different types of color paint, and some of my paint, you guys know I don't like to waste stuff, so sometimes my paint might be old and sometimes it might be watered down, but I make sure I get my money's worth. I don't buy paint and throw stuff away. Very rare do I do that. So look, this one I bought that quite some time ago and didn't even realize I'm now opening it for the first time. You can use whatever type of paint you want to use. I've even seen people use like ink, the acrylic ink to do these pieces, and it always ends up coming out really good. So okay, so I'm gonna use the putty knife, I call it, or my favorite paint scraper. You see, you just press it down, and you pull your hands back, and it normally spreads on the paper. You can also use this if you want to just put a certain color in a certain area. You can do that. So there you see, this has like a jagged edge, so you see it gives you a nice little pattern there that you can use to spruce up like your mixed media art or your collage, or even if you're doing a portrait and you want to add some little something to it. This one has a different edge. See, and that looks, it does pretty good. So you just get different types of patterns with these. So I just wanted to show, I didn't do all of them, and this one is the smooth edge. Like you could have gotten the same thing if you had used like a credit card or a debit card, some type of bank card, sorry. You could just use it to spread it out. So I mean, even if you don't have these fancy items, you can improvise. See, you can even use a fork. Like if you get a fork that you get at the restaurant, a little plastic fork, you can use that as well. You can use the plastic knife to do scrape art as well. So see, this has a small, so see, that will make a nice pattern. Like if you're trying to put hair, like if you're painting a face or something, you're trying to do something fancy with the hair, that might work as well. The one with the gray, you see that the lines there are very small, so that might work to do some type of scrape art to, you know, improvise and make your painting better. So I tried to use a different pattern, a different size there to spread it out some more. But I think the paint was already drying, so it didn't do exactly. But you can, I mean, you can see, it depends on what you want to do. You know, art is something so wonderful that you don't have to follow a certain guideline. You could make it however you want it. You could take this and make it your own in whatever way, and there's no right way or no wrong way. So then I'm using the squeegee. I love this thing because it spreads stuff quicker than if you're using something small. So I just want to show you how it can be used to spread the paint and to really do something awesome. That was the reason why I used this. So you see, look at that nice yellow and green pattern up there. I didn't think it would come out like that, but I was like, oh, that don't look too bad. So you spread it and you get a nice, you know. So what I'm gonna do, you know, like I said, I don't throw stuff away. So I think I'm gonna use this in a video somewhere down the road to do maybe like a portrait and use that as the background, because I think it's really kind of unusual. See? Here you go. And it just depends on what color scheme you like. You know, you might like that, or you might, if you use different colors, of course it wouldn't look the same. So alright, so here I'm gonna show you how I did an actual piece. And this is an old canvas I did something on before, and I just painted it white because this is kind of more or less a demonstration for you guys. So I didn't want to use a whole brand new canvas. So I always do this stuff, and of course that's another bottle of ink I didn't open. So yeah, I'm gonna spread the ink. I'm not gonna walk you through that. I'm gonna just do that real quick so that, you know, we can go back and see what we'll come up with. So I just grabbed colors out of my box of paints. I have different colors in different boxes. I just grabbed some because I didn't want to make the video too long. So anyway, so I put all that on there, and, you know, in no particular order, and we'll see how this goes. I've seen people do this where they put certain colors together, some of the blobs are bigger than some, but I don't know, I just wanted to demonstrate. So I'm going to use my squeegee. I love this thing, I really do, and just see what happens. Okay, so you see all the colors coming together, it's being spread evenly. The only bad thing about this is that a lot of times the paint wastes because it stays on the squeegee. So since I'm trying to do something creative here, I'm just gonna spread it all over. And see how nice the colors are coming together, they're blending together. There you go. And once again, when this dries, I can also use this as a background for portrait, for a face, because you all know I'm fascinated with faces. So I can always use this to do a face. There you go. I love doing this stuff. So now I'm gonna show you. Don't forget, guys, to like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That'll really help me out. So I'm using there, you see I use the different things to kind of, you know. So if you like this, go ahead and leave a comment. I welcome comments. I notice you guys have not been commenting. So please, if you watch the video, you have any kind of feedback for me, just please write a comment. That also helps me out. So okay, so now I'm just trying to spread the ink and show you different patterns, and, you know, just the side of the canvas, which when you do scrape art, you got to be careful. You got to make sure you paint the side of the canvas, because with the scrape art, it doesn't always get paint. If you like this video, you like the overall content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye now.